You probably think most of the air you breathe comes from trees, right? Think again. Earth's real oxygen factory isn't a forest at all. It's something microscopic hiding in our oceans. Over 70% of the oxygen in every breath you take is actually produced by tiny ocean organisms. These unseen heroes are called phytoplankton, and they're crucial for all life on Earth. Just like plants on land, phytoplankton perform photosynthesis, converting sunlight and carbon dioxide into energy and, critically, oxygen. They form the base of the entire marine food web. These incredible single-celled organisms exist in billions, constantly replenishing our atmosphere. From diatoms to dinoflagellates, each species plays a vital role in this global oxygen production. Protecting our oceans means protecting these tiny powerhouses. Pollution, warming waters, and overfishing directly threaten phytoplankton populations, impacting our very air supply. So next time you take a deep breath, remember the immense, unseen contribution of our oceans. They sustain us in ways we rarely consider, making ocean conservation critically personal. What other surprising ocean facts do you think we overlook? Subscribe for more awesome facts.